Well, let's see what we got. It's been kind of busy today. It's kind of hot, but I am going to try to get a few. That's my grass cutting guy going by. He gave me a thumbs up. He followed me here on my normal channel. But I did work on the countertop. Got that installed. And let me get inside. I'll show what I mean. So there she is. That's the countertop in the up position. And then this is the countertop in the down position. That ain't marble. That's just plywood. Plywood with Denny's marbling treatment, which she's going to do on the floor here coming up. She also wants to do these lift pistons, you know, these guys here. But she made me promise I wouldn't put them on till she got here. I think she's afraid I'm going to screw it up. I don't think she has any confidence in me. I don't know. But it's coming along. Also, additionally, what I did was I put another light up here. So I got a light here, and light over there. Plenty of light to work, you know, doing stuff. I got to put a little strip down here to cover that gap, just in case anything spills. And then I got to do something so it won't go down in my electric area. Not that it really hurt anything because everything's all insulated, but still, ain't a good idea. And I got to cut this guy off of here, face it over that way so the hot air will come out right here in this gap. And pretty close to putting my bed down. I don't know if I should do that or I probably ought to continue working on the floor. Or start working on the floor anyways, because I think Denny wants to do the marbling on the floor. That'll really look nice when that's done and all this stuff is done. It's starting to look like an RV. No question about that. Well, let me cut some wood for my rooftop deck and I'll get back with you.